Batisi TV, Lone Rashapi da ka Frank Motors, ka Jaka Dekali ka Batamai jong ka Tata Motors, halat ko ni Shillong, ringkat baka net foodish, ordar mapi, ninwan ramani, hakir dobiyeng jongpi.
Ka jinga keren ka long hapdeng Ginoy lam jong ka Federation of All School Teachers of Meghalaya hapok jinga lam jong spokesperson uba mebon lingdo lembat ki officer jong katnat puli puthi balami khmat do commissioner and secretary jong katnat puli puthi ka sarkar jilla u Dr. BDR Tiwari ha ringkat ka jinga dan lang jong secretary katnat puli puthi u Ambrose CH Marak ha kasngi thod dieng arpu atrik yayong arajar arpu ar kamshim lalong setia ka basai so namar ba ki officer jong ni katnat kem shem lala setia ban aya kanu karai ha ka bai dei ba ka jingdawa jong kino hikai school ad hoc ban kintiu kerdan deficit ya ki school ad hoc lani wat ban penkiu da ka jingsiu tulop da khat prajar tengka lembat ka jing penkiu ya ka jingsiu tulop ka bolong san na ka sispa man lausnem ha ka jinga keren bagi la pathai kubor ba me bon lingdo ula ong namar ba ka jinga keren kamshim la long ba seiso namar kata keseng kan nang yai beteng ki jinga ki da ba pelong ya kan non cooperation movement shwa ba kino ilam keseng kin leit bani keren bat ki he officer jo katat puli puthi da ki hajar ngut kino hikai school ad hoc na rilom khasi jantia bat na rilom garu kilai kendo lang hamadan malki bat ya procession jai tat hadu bandapoi hakmat ka office jong ka Meghalaya Board of School Education namar ka jingsa pensangi no haki magistrate bat haki bor pulit kinoi kai kimshim la yo alat setia bantur sekretariat henry kat bagi noi kai kidang mi namadan malki ban late office jang ka Meghalaya Board of School Education Kabupaten Halashmia kidan pat da kispa angot kinoi kai kibra late sekretariat kat hadu baklapen kthakli ya ki bor senchar ke East Khasiels district wat laki magistrate kila persang ban pen ko ngo ya kinoi lam ka fastom ban pha noi kinoi kai ki belum Ahmad ka office sekretariat nakliang jinginoi lam ki kentai dar bapin phainia ba kinoi kai ki badan Ahmad ka office sekretariat bad Ahmad ka office jong ka embos kin om ki setia ka baka sarkar kampat la ban khot ekran
After 2 months, in the month of March, when we went to meet him, Hakataru, nothing has been done. There was no proposal that was being made from his office to the government. It has not been tabled. Okay, how can we wait? How can we trust these kind of you? And so we need who from the government is coming there. We need to know. Laban on education, anyone can come from education. A teacher can also come from education. But I'm just saying, we need to know who are we meeting. So what is the status and position of that person that we are meeting? And to what extent will this meeting be fruitful and productive for us, the teachers? Because Monday in the meeting, we have leaders from Garo Hills. In these course of days, kinsa ay lada ka government kat penbiang hotel yaki kinsa ay fine. We from Shillong fine. But for these leaders who are from Garo Hills, who are here, they cannot go back to Garo Hills and come back. It's impossible. So if the government will arrange for hotel room or this and that for them, or I'm just saying, if the government can do till that, we will wait till Monday. But I know that the status of the government that the government is in right now, it cannot do that. And the government is also not giving us the assurance who are we meeting. So it's pointless. In the course of this of 1 month, we have met so many people, sir. We've met so many people, I'm telling you. But all of these people that we have met are pointless, and the meetings are fruitless. So we cannot wait any longer. No. See, sir, I can understand your position, so you will also have to understand our position. In the course of 1 month, who among the magistrates came to talk to us here? Who? No one. In the course of 1 month, we sat here for 1 month. Did you come, sir, to talk to us here in the course of 1 month? No. Why today? Why only today? Because you are getting the permission. See, I can understand. Yeah, sure.
See, I'm not here to negotiate what happens. Okay, there are courts of audits. What happens, I'm not going to negotiate. We will do this, we will do that. Okay, we are here basically to maintain law and order. Okay, so far you have adhered to all the, whatever the provision has said. Of course, it's peaceful and all that. But now, some of the, from your association, have marched to the other side. Okay, so we request you kindly, okay, because they are willing to listen to you. So you have to kindly go and kindly request them. Kindly call them up. Okay, please you can tell them to request them to go to Maldives.
Yeah.
Legal way till the person comes and talk to us and
We also cannot wait. We cannot wait. No, that's fine. That's fine. Whatever has to happen to them, let it be. We are ready for anything, sir.
For 1 month we have been waiting. For 1 month we have been waiting. You can wait. You can wait.
We are very stubborn, just like the MDA government. If the MDA government is stubborn since the year 2019, we are also stubborn for the last 1 month we sat here. And we are going to be stubborn today. Because this, what we are fighting for, cannot wait. I have many years. I can apply for this, for that job, still 37 years. These people cannot apply for jobs anymore. These people cannot wait. So why we are here, why we are fighting? We are fighting for them. We are fighting for their children. Some of their children are not able to go to school, to proper schools. Why? Because the salary is too less. Too less. They cannot go for tuitions. Why? Salary is too less. However, sir, you and I, we know very well it's an open secret. The children of these ministers and all, they go and study abroad in all these good schools. I have nothing against that. The only thing I want is their children should also be able to go to proper schools. They also need to be able to afford tuitions. So until and unless that happens, nothing is going to move.
खाली शायद भी छोड़ो रुपये हम लोग जाते हैं
Hadirin mengilai kenduk bagi coki kat tuan neki ofisa surkan. Dia ngilai kili neki dak basai. Bagata ka file jungi kala poi do hai. Namar ki ong ba kila proses. Dia bang kili ki kata file jungi kala poi do hai. Yang ba na directorate la pha sa ka office ni. Dia bat ngikli bre ki ong ba nang ni ngin sa proses sa planning bat kumtakan sa poi sa ka finance. Dia bang ni ang mi bala lada ka ta file nang ni la da biat ada proses ti kamut ka problem ka dia ka planning kan ti balai ka ta planning hadu menta ka 4 lakh ban proses ya ka ta file bat balai ka ta file ka 4 poi sa ka finance department hadu menta namar menta la dan lai benai ti ngi syang tu kat bang gidang ong ki ong eng ni pet ya ka ni ka mata ni penyat ya ka ni ka mata syakmat ti hadian bang ila syang ila ekran bhai eng ila calculate lada ka ta ka file jungi tang bakan kan proses swab kan poi na directorate ha kan office ka simpor hadu lai benai te kamut kan sa simpor sa handriu benai bakan niat nang ni sa planning bat na planning sa finance te kumta kan simpor kum handriu benai tambah ladang ipet pada ya ka bor jong ka sarkar ba ka bor jong ka kabinet tangau benai September ya kita ki bor jong ki la sya strip na kemumut bakan ni kabinet bakan ni sarkar kan dan bor syu nadu September te ladang i kalong kumba ka government hi kadang lekai kunjing lekai kan yangi haduk menta kapan por kumni kumtai ti ni nginya ya be chakman ba kani ka agitation process ka bangidan kani ka por kampat kut ba ni ngimpat hun ya kata ka jing ya kendu ya kini ki ofisa sarkar ngimpat ya kendu ya Education Minister badai Lakman Rembui, yang empat kundu ia Chief Minister ru di kumta kata meeting ni ka bangidon ni kamlong fruitful AARUM di ngimdon ngimyo yo tau so ubangihon but kani ka ayu kan nang ya chakmat mga pa ba in kambatay kandiat I Vice President jungi halor ka phang ka ba ngila yakran hapo kandiat ba deni
ka bangikran ngi hangtei galong ngi kwa ya ka ada ka jingtho na galiang jong ka sarkar namar balay namar ba habangi lasya ban khot ban ikran kaya jingmut ka jingi galong ba nginyo king yoso jong ka jingi kendu jungi tenre ka basusi menta galong namar ba ka jing kendu jungi galong ba kapdo ni ye ngila ya sain hang tu ya ka jingdon jungi hang tu hari ka bas ngulong ma galong bangim tip ya ka decision na ka jingi kut mar kata ka jingi kut kalong hasui di denang takadaw galong ba ni habdeng ya kani ka jingi ki jongi tap hadu ba ka sarkar kanda chashkor ya ka jing tawai jongi namar nadu 8,000 khandu hadu menta ni khamyo ye nagaliang jong sarkar ya baro kinoi kai jong ka ad hoc jong ki ad hoc teachers baro apo juga state ni Meghalaya ke jongi
te kajingi kran jongi hapo hi kalong ka pasyai ba bat ki officer sarkar ha ka ba ngila pen I ki ba ngila submit cheki ya kata ka memorandum nangi ha kata ka memorandum la tho syai balada ka sarkar ka upgrade yang na kata ka kerdan ad hoc syaka kerdan deficit kat no ka pisah kandon kam but lada ka upgrade syaka deficit pattern ru kat no ka pisah kandon kam ti kani ka di kata ka memorandum ka bangi ladap submit yaki ti kani jing sya kadang ditang ko kopi namar ba ya ka memorandum meningkong hi ngiladap submit ha ka hau benai kelalingkot kata ka khat praterik Syah Isa Ambrose Marak ti hadian mingla ekran kat tu kan ni ngila pensyai ba lese ka ni ka sarkar ka yo jingkhen ka ba bakla ka ba menteri rang ba badipet ya ka puli puti loong mencem senam ba ondan kam san spa kror bat menta usnem loong ba ondan kam nyos spa kror kat ba kat kum ka jingkhen jungi kum ba PE hang ne ka pisa ka ba ka sarkar ka don kam ban upgrade ye kini kinong kai ad hoc sya ka kerdan deficit kalong tang kumba arspa sanpo kror tam ngi syuong tam namar ba kidan gini school ru ki bala sha upgrade ha sha ad hoc ha kani kasnam bat kidan kino hikai ru ki bala yo ad hoc thamai tikum ta ka kani ka finance committee ka badi kmi ya ka finance lesi ka ai ya kata ka amount ka babakla sha u education minister lani sha u finance ru badi pe yak finance u chief minister badi u Konrad K Sangma ti kum tanah kani ka yu ngakwa ban pentep ru sa komai mo ba kandiat haba kila pha sai ni kwa ban pentep sapi syaka media menta ba ki pha sai ni ka blank paper mo ka ba kham tho eng to te shubu ha kani ka por ngila banong ba shubu lada ki wan da kata da kanu ka jing tho ka ba khmat ngingim tep mo kata ka jing tho nyimtep ke ai kata ka jingtho kan long namar ngi la sign aga blank paper ban ong bangil adan hang tu dia kata ka paper baladan ka signature jungi la shim da kan ko office ti kumta lada don manu ba ai ha media ba mangi dungut ki balarung hapo jong kan ka chamber ba ngila ai ya kan ka decision ba ngila kongu ya kata ka decision bala shim hangi kalong ka babakala namar bangi kamdan kata ka decision ke bangi lakshim hang ni hapo abat hapo ngila kelishai nadu lanu ka sarkar kan sedang bahkan aino ya kata ka enhancement jungi tani nadu lanu ka sarkar kan aya kata ka upgradation henry habang ya dan hapo ni syamba ka sarkar kampalla ban aya kata ka confirmation bat kampalla ban aya kata ka commitment ti ka memut kata ka jingwan jungi hang ni bangindan ya kata ka meeting bakini ki officer sarkar kalong ka baleno kalong ka bathli ba kalong ku mukhiu phiang ba susawa halam do nom po habang ile kendo yanu ru habang idan kanu meeting kisit pa sign bet Kishat pa sign bit ban shim signature. Haba pilih kendu DC, pilih kendu nurut pihak sign dem tu. Te kata ka signature ka bangi hab ban sign. Kata ti kalong mandatory. Ladang ikendu inu ki officer sarkar. Lada pilih kendu ya chief minister, pilih kendu no officer sarkar pihak bit ban sign. Kata ada kada mandatory. Ngimla bangin ong ngim sign. Namar bangila dan deng tu ngila dan kita ka meeting, tingila sign ket. Tambah ka ka bangi kwa ban pentip syapi bangi kwa ban pensyai. Bangi dang sumi nang ni dang mentan hi. Dia bangi la mi nang ni kwa ban pentip ba ngi su sign tu namar ba ki pandu yaki number phone jongi kan. Ki ong bangi ki hab ban kontak ngi Dia ba ki ong ban kontak kumnum kam thok kerteng ni lahi ban su ai tau number phone. Ngi hab ban thoi ka kerteng jongi, ngi thoi ka kerteng jongi hang tu te ngi sign sunang tu bangi thok kan yo number namar ba ki pande. Ki ong bangi dan kam ban kontak ngi yapi. I'm not bang ngam ba ka government kan misuse nga kamong kata ka bang akwa bangan chupen tip lupa kan sa media ba lada nga kamong ba ka government kan sa PFD ban sung thu bhai ki kentien bala penon kam ngong ba lada mdei ba kan sa tihabangi ong lada ka penon kam kumni kumtai ka thok kumni kumtai te kamut ba kata kalong ka babakla namaria kata ka minutes ka bangi karan hapo ki ong ba kin sapha ya ka copy jong kata ka minutes singi kin sapha singi bat nin sa approve ya ka kumbangi lale mensuaru ti hakani ka por ka bangi sign hang tu kadai banga sign ka kerteng nga thok ka kerteng ngala sign bat nga ayu mobile number jong hang tu kan tengi ru ngi haban chulong aware kanang ban yo approve kan ngi ang balay media kata menta kanang ban yo approve it will be on media as approved ba hapo kajing ikran jungi ka khamlong ka ba seso yai kalong ka bathli bat ngi shu sign nang tu ha ka badi ka blank paper namar ba ngi shu ai ki kerteng bat ki phone number jungi tang kata handai kata ka doubt ke te ngi haban doubt what you para la jong ro hab doubt haba pimla te banchani parane parlok eru tingi haban daw okay course of action we will continue but katoka resolution kabangila shim hagaru hills kaba gin continue but kanika non cooperation agitation jungi tat hadu bangin dayo ia kata ka jubab kaba syai bat kabangi hun na kiniki minister sarkar namar mentang keliru ni kelibang yang lane bangin kendu ya chief minister lani ya education minister ki ong ba kibun kam te to kibun kam lele ni ong ni lane man kendu la mandi ki ong ki dang bun kam tingi ap ki ong bangit sa phone tingi ap ya kata ka phone call jong ki lano bakin sa phone kin sa pentep ba ki long available pangin sali kendu ya ki sa sisien wa ya kani ka jing kentiu kardan jong ka ad hoc syaka deficit kalang ba ad hoc ki kamut temporary kumba pitip but balengi dawa kalang ba kidon kinohikai kiladon ka service ka ba kundai lighthouse namru but kita kidan kinohikai kibala retire rumasa kibala retire kidan kibala khlad ru ke khlad kum kita ki ad hoc teachers timenta ki babuni kinohikai hangne kidan ya ka service ka ba khatsan snam chalor khatsan athos nam chalor timaki kiladan hokken ba kinyo ya kata ka jing scam gen ha ka jing im jungki ba kila day kita ki nohikai deficit ani kita ki nohikai ki balada itu pura da ka sarkar but ya kani ka jing dawa jungi talong pending nadu kasnam arajar ka khandai war ha kasnam arajar ka khandai ngilai kendu bot menteri rang badu jong ka jela jungi konrat ke sama hangtai ha malki ground how benai august te har ta kajing kendu menteri rang ba duru la ong ba unsa penbet ya ka kendum kendram ka bayade begini kinong hikai ad hoc how to ju usnam ha ubenai november handai hadu menta ngimpat yo ya utau so jong kading dawa jungi ngisngotho ba ka covid kalawan tambah lada ka covid kawan baro kini kiwi ki department jong sarkar ki kiu tulap kan kidan ki ba kiu tulap RCN si snam tang ba mangi pada ikam kiu tulap ha kini ki Hendriu Snam dia kini Hendriu Snam shibun ki laja shibun tali ki tax su ki ladap introduce ka sarkar kala introduce shibun tali ki tax but na kita ki tax lai percent kabadi ka sas tax kabadi banya cha education kata cha LP UP secondary but higher secondary kataru ni kam UE bandon kanu ka sharp na kanu ka ha kata ka increment na ka enhancement jungi te kumta Ni la kot jingmut bangnya ya chahmat no bagani ga education hadu baginda yo ya kata ka jing dawa jungi. Kata ka demand ka bangi bat menta namar bangi smutu baka sarkar ka ong makam dan pisa. Tikum tang ya bat be ya kata ka khatra hajar enhancement kepada ina benta baru ki kategori kata ka LP, UP secondary ber high secondary baka 100% increment manla usnem. Di kata ka demand ka ba ngi ngilakut jingmut bat nya scam benyo kata ya kata ka deficit kasyong ka sarkar kala na kamla banai kata ka deficit patan ka kasyong ka sarkar namar meeting idan kini figures ni ngila ay ka sarkar handai wat hadian kata ruk ong ka sarkar ba kamla ban upgrade diam nalay ay ngi kata ka khatra hajar bat kata ka 100% tang kata ay ka ba ngi kwa pangidawan ka sarkar.